Welcome back, everybody. Today's little adventure, we are heading over to Mooresville, Indiana. One of my subscribers, shout out to Aaron Chandler, asked me to do a video on Mooresville, Indiana. And so we're heading that way. I am not real familiar with Mooresville at all, so I looked at it extensively on Google Maps and tried to find the best back roads to take over to the main part of the town. So I figured I'm going to go over to Mooresville, cruise around the town. I might stop at the high school or the library and fly my drone and get a picture of Mooresville. You can check out all my drone pictures and videos if you search my name on Instagram. I'll still try to figure out how to incorporate a video into the YouTube videos, but it's awfully windy out today, so I'm going to get the drone up in the air first and see how the drone is handling this wind. It's steadily blowing. The Weather Channel says 14 miles an hour, but it feels more like 20. So I have flown the drone in 20-mile-an-hour wind. I believe that is Heartland Crossing Golf Course. I've never played there, but yeah. Aaron Chandler, one of my subscribers, said he recently just got a killer deal on a Zuma, the exact same year as mine. So congratulations, welcome to the scooter world. But yeah, we're just gonna head over here. I'm probably gonna eat at the place he recommended. It's Gray Brothers Cafeteria. I actually seen it on Food Network years ago when they used to air that show Man vs. Food, and Gray's Brothers Cafeteria is one of the places that he stops at. And, you know, because he usually did like 3 restaurants before he did the food challenge. And I remember he went to the cafeteria out here in Mooresville, and then he went to Edwards Drive-In off Raymond Street in Indianapolis, one other place I think, and then he ate a cheeseburger, a massive, gigantic cheeseburger challenge in a place in Broad Ripple. But yeah, we're gonna go out here and check it out. Like I said, I've never really been out here and explored it much. I've been through it a few times. The last time I came out here was about 5 years ago on my 125 Zuma I used to have, and I was scouting for a place to open up a beach shop, but I never did, and couldn't really find a place worth renting. So we're gonna head up here and check it out. Hopefully some of this is recognizable. He said he used to live in Mooresville, Indiana, and now he lives out west. So hopefully this brings back some memories for you, some nostalgia. There is a restaurant right in the town of Mooresville that I've been wanting to eat at for years called Zydeco's. And it's like Cajun Creole, New Orleans kind of cooking. They don't actually open up till 5. It's probably 12 something right now. So obviously I'm not going to eat there. But that place, Zydeco's, was featured on an episode of the Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives with Guy Ferrari. But yeah, I've been wanting to eat there for a long time, but I hear it's expensive. A lot of times you get what you pay for. So we're going to go to the Gray Brothers Cafeteria, check out what they have, and make a little video on that. And that's today's scooter adventure. I don't have a GPS thing or on my handlebars, so I'm not exactly sure how much further it is. I looked at the Google Maps, and this road should take you right into town of Mooresville. I was going to go down 144, but in the 12 o'clock hour, there's a lot of lunchtime traffic and people that are working, and I'm just trying not to be rude. I'm being considerate to my fellow drivers on the road. I had a guy yell at me a little while ago. I was going 35 in a 25 residential area down this road, and he was in a work truck. And I understand you're working and you're trying to get back to your job or whatever you're doing. They pulled up next to me and yelled some expletives, and I sort of yelled back, you know, because I was going 35 in a 25, so it's not like I was, you know, not going 10 miles an hour over the speed limit myself. But the new Todd, the old Todd, is peaceful and calm. Young Todd would have, the outcome probably would have been a little different. But the, you know, whatever. I try not to let things bother me. Here we go. This is State Road 67 in Mooresville. What do we have? Blueberry Hill Pancake House. Ooh, that place has got some cars there. I wonder if that's any good. Yeah, I couldn't tell you the last time I've been here, other than it's probably been 5 years ago. But yeah, I think we're gonna go up in here and check it out. And hopefully this brings back, like I said, this brings back some memories for you. I notice people don't, a lot of guys on motorcycles don't give me the wave. Once they see I'm on a scooter. And like, I've had a guy before go, ooh, start to give me the little two-finger gesture down, and took him back at the last second when he realized that I am not on a so-called motorcycle, even though I'm on two wheels and I've got a motor. I don't really like the term moped, because a moped, in my opinion, is a scooter with pedals on it. When I was like 14 years old, I used to have a like 1978 Pirelli, and I love that scooter, or that moped. That was a moped because it had pedals on it. But yeah, I used to love that moped. I still wish I had it. And I had the tank, the gas tank right here, so it looked like a little motorcycle. It's a nice old car there. Indianapolis Road. I believe I want to take a left right here, and I'm just going to go over to like Main Street, go cruise down Main Street, go over to Gray Brothers Cafeteria, eat some lunch. The weather is absolutely beautiful. I think it's supposed to be a high like 85 degrees today. Last week it got really cold. It was in the 90s, hot and humid and muggy. They were comparing it, saying it's the exact same as South Florida weather. And then it dropped down into the low 70s for like 4 or 5 days. And felt really cold after you go from mid-90s back to the 70s. This would be a fun little town to explore. Just cruise around for a minute, see what it has to offer. I'm not real sure which way I want to go up here, so I am just going to guess at it. Lots of old cars around here. Pretty little old town. this is Main Street or not. I'm trying to see a street sign. I don't think it is. Oh yeah, it is Main Street, isn't it? This is Main Street. Because right here is Zydeco's, the restaurant I've been wanting to try out. New Orleans Grill. This place is pretty cool. I like the looks of it. Thing I am not real sure of is the Gray's Brother Cafeteria. I know it's down the road a little bit here. I'm just gonna go up here, hang a right, and we'll circle back around. North Monroe, the Mooresville Public Library. Go back this way and see if we can't take a right and take us back into town. Take a right here on Washington Street. I love these old houses with these big porches on them. And they look like a lot of people keep them up pretty decent around here. Jefferson Street, is this the road I want to turn on? No. No. I think it's the next one. Trying to make my way over to Gray's Brother Cafeteria and eat me some lunch. I've never eaten there. I've heard really good things about it. It's a buffet cafeteria style, I believe, and I always try to research everything on Google Maps before I go somewhere. And it's got pictures of it on Google Maps of the inside. It's got a little gift shop in it, so we're going to check it out and do a little video. Public parking, government center, library, Pioneer Park, the police station, the barber shop. This is a cute little small town. It's like something you see in a movie. I like it. Indiana state flag. A little plaque about the state flag history and a little monument to it. Alright, now we are heading southbound, and it looks there's a lot of businesses in Mooresville anymore. Back when I was looking to open up a Jack's Pizza over here, there wasn't a whole lot of pizza places, and I recently Googled it, and there's like 25 different pizza places in Mooresville now. So obviously there was a market for it, and I knew about it, and I never pulled the trigger. Decided to open up my own shop. I've been running a pizza shop for my friend for a long time now. And it is a lot of work running a restaurant, a lot of stress. I really need about a week off every 3 months, but I only take 2 weeks off a year, so it starts to make you burn out. Speaking of pizza places, Sal's Famous Pizzeria. I wonder if they're any good. Serving pizza by the slice all day long. I believe Gray's Brothers Cafeteria is down here on the left. I'm not real sure. We're about to find out. Hopefully you can hear me over that awesome muscle car in front of me. Papa Murphy's, Taco Bell. I believe it's down here on the left, so I'm gonna jump over. Chicago's Pizza, O'Reilly's. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. I think it's this brown building up here on the left. Oh yeah, Gray's Brother Cafeteria. try it out for a second. Or for a few minutes. Let's sit down and eat. Thinking maybe some fried chicken, mashed potatoes, slice of pie, maybe some broccoli on the side, some sort of veggie to go with it. There's a lot of people here. Obviously a popular spot. Gray's Brother Cafeteria, 10 days a week, open 11 to 8:30 every day. We'll just pull up right here. See what this place is all about. Oh, it looks excellent. Everything looks good. Can I get a breast and a leg? Alright, well that was delicious. Thanks Aaron for the recommendation. Here is the Mooresville High School. Got a pretty big high school out here. Mission accomplished. I'm about to head back to Greenwood. I flew the drone for a minute, got a few pictures, and appreciate everyone watching, and I will check you next time in the next video. More scooter adventures to come.